Hello everyone, we're here at Polyvance's factory. Today we're working on a Lexus LX 570 rear bumper, and we're going to remove a dent out of the corner here. Of course, we want to clean the repair area thoroughly, front and back. We want to heat the dent thoroughly. Also, we want to make sure that we at least warm the plastic 4 to 6 inches around the dent. We don't want any stress out here, preventing the dent from popping out. We'll heat the front up and blow some heat on the back side. We just want to make sure we get the plastic heated through and through. It's important to keep the heat gun moving constantly. You cannot stop, especially once the bumper gets hot. If you stop in one area, you can melt that area and cause the plastic to become brittle. Pushing down on the crease and up on the dent itself. I want to work the dent until I feel like I'm not making any more progress, and then we'll sand it. The sander will show us the high and low spots. So that's about as far as we can go with it. We'll let the plastic cool to room temperature before we begin sanding. We were able to remove the dent without having to use any body filler. So that part is ready to slick down with 180 and prime. We successfully removed the dent from this bumper without having to use body filler and got it primed and ready for paint.